let us start the concept of citizenship in India. In India, the concept of citizenship, we can call it as both constitutional as well as statutory. Why statutory? Because article number 11 of the constitution says parliament to regulate the right of citizenship by law. So what is a statutory body? Whenever something is created by the legislature, then it is known as statutory body. Now the citizenship provisions are given in our constitution from article number 5 to 11 in the part 2. As we know that citizenship provisions are in the part 2, article number 5 to 11. Let us discuss each article in detail. So let us discuss the first article. What is the first article? Citizenship at the commencement of the constitution. Citizenship at the commencement of the constitution. Now there is a word commencement. What is commencement? Citizenship at the commencement of the constitution means the commencement day. Commencement day. When did the citizenship articles have come into force? Open your article number 393. Open your article number 393. Article number 393, page number 236. From article number 393, the constitution will be called as the Constitution of India. Please read the article number 394. Article number 394. Commencement. This citizenship article has to be connected with article number 394. 394 is commencement. 394 is commencement. Now our constitution was launched on completely on 26 January 1950. अपना कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन क्या है? पूरा कब लॉन्च हुआ था? 26 जनवरी 1950 के दिन. लेकिन कंप्लीट कब हुआ? 26 नवंबर 1949 कंप्लीट हो गया. तो थोड़े जो आर्टिकल्स थे, सम ऑफ द आउट ऑफ द 395 आर्टिकल्स, some of the articles, very few articles came into force from 26 November 1949 itself. Few articles, just 10 articles, 10 or 12 articles, out of which citizenship articles exist there. So article number 394 पढ़िए, commencement. This article number 394. This article and the articles 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 60, 324, 366, 367, 379, 380, 388, 391, 392 and 393 shall come into force at once. Shall come into force at once. Which are the articles? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60, 324, 366, 367, 379, 380, 380, 388, 391, 392 393 shall come into force at once, and the remaining provisions of the constitution shall come into force on 26th day of January 1950, which is referred to in this constitution as the commencement of the constitution. समझ में आ रहा? So you have to remember that अगर आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के जो सिटीजनशिप रिलेटेड आर्टिकल्स है वो कब इफेक्ट में आए, This articles 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 Constitution citizenship related articles came into force on 26th November 1949. बाकी पूरे भी. Other articles except these came into force on 26 January 1950. ये सबसे पहले याद रखना है. You will be asked. Thus, the articles relating to citizenship 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 came into force on which day? अगर आप नहीं पढ़े आप लोग, you will just write 26 January 1950. लेकिन ये आर्टिकल 324 इलेक्शन, आर्टिकल नंबर 366, ये क्या है? Came into force at once. The moment the constitution was ready, it came into force. Please be very clear. And other articles came into force on
26 January
1950. So कौन से आर्टिकल में दिया हुआ है ये?
Article 1994.
Including article number 394, which gives immediate effect. ठीक है, तो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन डे मना रहे, तो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन डे के you might be asked, which of the following articles came into effect on Constitution Day? Which is the Constitution Day?
26 November 1949.
1949. वो दिन कौन से आर्टिकल्स came into effect?
5, 6, 7,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 relating to citizenship. What is article number 60?
Oath and affirmation.
Oath and affirmation of the president. Oath and affirmation of the president. Article number 60. What is article number 324? Elections. Article number 324. Superintendence, direction and control of election to be vested in the election commission. What is article number 366? Definitions. Article number 367. Interpretation. Article number 379 to 391. 379 to 391 has been repealed now. अब रिपील कर दिए, वो टाइम पे था. सो आपको सिटीजनशिप आर्टिकल्स कब कम इनटू फोर्स बोले, क्या बोलना है आपको?
26 November 1949.
26 November 1949. Clear है point? So this is our normally this is lesser fact which is known. This came into force on the whole constitution came into force on 26 January 1950. But some of the articles came into force इससे पहले ही आ गए थे, लागू हो गए थे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन डे के. वो कौन से आर्टिकल्स थे?
5, 6, 7,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60, 324, 366, 367. उसके बाद में 379, 388, 391, 92, 93, including 394, including 394. क्लियर है पॉइंट? 393 क्या है? शॉर्ट टाइटल कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. ये बुक क्या बोलना है आपको? कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया बताना है. इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया. सो दिस क्वेश्चन हैज कम इन द बार काउंसिल एग्जाम. तो पर्सन जो एग्जाम हुआ पहला क्वेश्चन यही था कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का. दिस कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन विल बी कॉल्ड एज कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया गिवन अंडर व्हिच आर्टिकल? 393. So please be very clear about it. So you have to read to the question 3 to 4 times. So let us see the provisions of the constitution article by article. Now part 2, citizenship. Article number 5. Article number 5. Citizenship at the commencement of the constitution. At the commencement of this constitution, every person who has his domicile, every person, every नाम है इधर, every person has his domicile, has his domicile. What do you mean a domicile? Domicile means permanent home. Domicile means permanent home. Please open your the notes which I have given you just now. Citizenship के notes है. Aliens, citizenship, page number 26. Citizenship start हुआ. Meaning of domicile. Point number 443. Meaning of domicile is permanent home. Meaning of domicile is permanent home. Meaning of domicile is permanent home. तो क्या बता रहा हूँ मैं?
Every person.
At the commencement of the constitution, every person who has his domicile in the territory of India, in the
Territory of India.
टेरिटरी ऑफ इंडिया, बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. टेरिटरी ऑफ इंडिया, इंडिया की जमीन, टेरिटरी ऑफ
India.
इंडिया. ठीक है, उसमें 3 कंडीशन आए. व्हाट आर दोस 3 कंडीशन? 5 clause A. व्हाट इज 5 clause A?
Who was born in the territory of India.
who has domicile in the territory of India, and clause A, who was born in India, who was
Born.
born in India.
In the territory of India.
A, clause A क्या है? Who was born in India who was born in the territory of India, was born in the
Territory of
territory of India, भारत की जमीन पे, territory of
India.
India.
India, territory of India. Second, either of whose parents were born in the territory of India. भी क्या है? either of whose parents born in the
Territory of
territory of India, territory of India. Either माने या तो father या तो mother. Please remember, either. ये क्या था? 5 clause B. What is 5 clause C? Who has been tense देखिए उसमें, who has been ordinarily resident in the territory of India for not less than 5 years immediately preceding such commencement shall be the citizen of India. क्या बता रहा है? Who has been ordinarily resident,
of India.
ordinarily
Resident in the territory.
In the territory of
ordinarily resident in the territory of
India.
India for not less than ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, for not less than 5 years, for not less than 5 years immediately preceding such commencement shall be the citizen of India. 5 साल पहले, for example, what is the commencement date of the constitution?
26 January
26 जनवरी
1950.
1950. इसका मतलब क्या है?
45.
26 जनवरी 1950. तो immediately preceding 1 2 3 4 5 2050 है, 1950 है, ये
50,
1949 48
47.
47
46.
46
45.
45. ये क्या है? 25th 27th आना है, 27. So 1945 immediately 5 years preceding, पीछे immediately 5 years preceding. तो क्या बता रहा हूं मैं? Who has been ordinarily resident in the territory of India for
Not less than
not less than 5 years immediately माने there will be no gap, no gap preceding such commencement shall be the citizen of India, shall be the shall माने compulsory, shall be the
Citizen of India.
citizen of
India.
India. ठीक है? Clear है पॉइंट ये?
जी सर.
So, as per article number 5, this article number 5 is also known as citizenship by domicile. You might get a question. Which article of the constitution talks about citizenship by domicile? Article number 5 talks the citizenship by domicile. डोमिसाइल माने परमानेंट होम। ये आपका मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है आपका एलएलबी फर्स्ट ईयर में भी। सिटीजनशिप बाय डोमिसाइल, व्हाट इज सिटीजनशिप बाय डोमिसाइल? आर्टिकल नंबर 5 ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन टॉक्स अबाउट सिटीजनशिप बाय डोमिसाइल। उसमें क्या है? 3 क्लॉजेस है। क्या है क्लॉज?
Who was born?
Who was born in the territory of India, either whose parents born in the territory of India, or who has been ordinarily resident in the territory of India for not less than 5 years immediately preceding the commencement of this constitution shall be the citizen of India। अब preceding 5 years माने 50 में इसका commencement हुआ ये, उसके पीछे 5 साल चले जाओ। So almost 45 से इधर 1 2 3 4 इधर 5। क्लियर है पॉइंट? दिस इज 1 2 3, ये 0 हो गया, ये 1, ये 2, ये 3, ये 4, ये 5। तो 5 साल पीछे कंटिन्यूअसली इंडिया में रहना, तो यू आर अ सिटीजन ऑफ इंडिया। ठीक है।